Good morning, Phoenix, Arizona. Today is Monday, August 25th, 2025. We are live at Deer Valley Airport in North Phoenix. And the weather is a-changing today. Hopefully, we are planning, they're saying that we are going to get some rain today. And so that would be very nice during this monsoon season. Just out here at Deer Valley Airport, which is very close to our house. I'm in the Deer Valley area of Phoenix, checking out the planes taking off. They have multiple flight schools here. It's a very busy airport. So anyways, Rebecca is starting classes today up at NAU. So very proud of her. God bless Rebecca on your new classes for criminology and criminal justice. And today Christiana and the Valley Lutheran High School girls volleyball take on North Valley Christian Academy for a scrimmage today in their first match of the season. So we are looking forward to that. Go Flames! So please like and subscribe to my channel, Perry's Desert Experience. And we will check back later, live from Deer Valley Airport, Phoenix, Arizona. Have a great day. God bless.